Hello YouTubers, welcome to another tutorial. I will show you the solution if your car doesn't start every day or every other day after being parked overnight. So one common cause can be a battery drain, and in some Ford Fiesta model, the radio system can be the culprit. So today I will show you how to safely remove the radio fuse to stop the drain and test if it fixes your issue. First, make sure the car is completely off and the keys are out of ignition. On most Ford Fiesta models like mine, the interior fuse box is located behind the glove box in the passenger side here. So open the glove box and clip if it needed, and you'll see the fuse panel inside. Check your fuse diagram, usually printed on the panel cover or in the owner manual. So to find the radio fuse, it's often labeled as audio, radio, or similar things. Use the fuse puller and carefully pull the fuse out. If you don't have it, you can just use your fingers, but make sure that you don't drop the fuse. So once you have pulled this out, this disables the radio system, which may be draining your battery overnight. Now leave it overnight and see if your car starts normal the next day. If it does, you have likely found the issues. In my case, mine it does. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick car fixes. Thank you.